So one of the things that's been on my list of goals this year is to really start eating more protein. And for me, it's eating chicken. So I'm trying to figure out new like chicken recipes. And a lot of the chicken recipes that I'm finding on social media are asking to, you know, flatten the chicken, and then that way it's a little bit easier to cook and easier to prepare. So I actually realized I didn't have like a meat mallet, I guess they're called, to be able to thin the chicken. So this is why I started looking online. I found this one. It came really highly recommended. So it is this, and I guess it's called a meat hammer, so good to know. But yeah, so this one, I was really excited about it when I found it. The reviews were really good, the ratings were really good, so I went ahead and picked it up. So let's get out of the package and give it a shot. So here it is out of the package, and right off the bat, I think this is gonna work really well because it's not super heavy, which I was kind of worried about, but it is stainless steel, so that means that it is food grade. You can pop it in the dishwasher to clean it, which is awesome. So yeah, it just feels really, really nice in your hands. It's not, again, super heavy to where it's really going to be, you know, stressful to have to manage with it or manage it. But yeah, this feels amazing. You can see here just this, like, it's got that raised edge all the way across and around. Do a close up here so you can actually see all the indentations, but that is amazing. I like that it is wide, but it's not super like awkward. It's not like square and like a big old mallet, but yeah, this feels super lightweight. I think it's gonna work really well. So I have some chicken right here. Let's give it a shot. So here is my chicken. You can see that I have the plastic wrap over it, and I'm just gonna take the mallet, and I'm doing this with one hand. So you can see that I actually have the camera in the other hand. Oh, that is so nice. And again, it's not super heavy, which makes it super easy for you to use it. And you can tell that it is flattening it so nicely, but it's not taking a lot of effort on my part, which is awesome. Just what I wanted. This is perfect. She is beaten, she is mashed, and check that out. Look at how thin that is compared to when I started. Yeah, this is gonna be a great one. And again, it's super easy to clean. You can just pop it in the dishwasher because it is stainless steel, but very easy to handle, and it does work as shown. That thinner chicken is looking real good. Yum.